Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 70 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Then after you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called reset, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on yes to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, the process should be complete, like this. And that's how you factory reset this watch through the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.